10 Steps to Start an Online Business for Beginners in 2020, Part 2. That's coming up. Hello everyone, this is Refaat Abohassan. In my channel, I share with you different ways of making money online and generating passive income. So if you are stuck financially and looking for ways to increase your income from home, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, because I share with you here some valuable tips and information that teach you how you can do that. In my last video, you guys, I talked to you about the first 3 steps to start a successful online business as a beginner in 2002. And these were the self-development steps. By the way, if you didn't watch this part, check the link that will appear on the screen here and go watch it. But today, you guys, I will talk to you about the second category of having a successful online business, and that is the technical steps. So we're gonna start today with step number 4, which is buying a domain name. Having your own domain name, you guys, will make you far more able to gain a professional appearance. The absolute key here, you guys, is to have control of your own domain and to have a professional email address. So you need to avoid free email accounts because it projects the appearance of unprofessionalism. Don't let that happen to you. Better to have a domain name that has your personal name or brand. You can make your domain name if you go to a website like GoDaddy and find if your domain name is available. You can get a good domain name for less than $10 a year. Step number 5, finding a host. Web hosting is part of any good domain name, you guys. And using free hosting usually limit you to no advertising and many other features. Additionally, free hosting has written all over it. Once you get your own hosting web space, then you upload your files and begin to build your site. Some of the good website hosting providers are Bluehost, HostGator, Hostingtor, and GreenGeeks. Step number 6, you need a squeeze page. A squeeze page is a page that is vital for any online business. It is where your audience first get to contact you and know you much more better and get to know what are you offering. You would need a capture page for several reasons. First, to help you build an opt-in page for those who want to gain access to your information. And second, you will want something that assists you in gaining the information of your visitors. And third, to offer your visitors some free content that may induce them to sign up, such as an ebook or a report of some type. And here is an example of my own squeeze page, you guys. So this is an example, you guys, of a squeeze page that I use to send free materials to my subscribers. In fact, you can find the link down below in the description where it says the get my free ebook, the 7 most common online business models. So check that in the description below. So I'm using this to send free materials to my subscribers and to build my email list, which we will talk about in a second. You see, this squeeze page must be simple and does not have a lot of information, you guys. And it should lead straight to the one goal, which is sending your content and collecting emails. Step number 7, building an email list and developing trust with your list members. Now, the way to do this, you guys, is through building the list first using your squeeze page. This will help you to target the traffic that is on your list. One of the ways that you want to build trust with your members is by responding to your emails and returning the phone calls that you may receive. And the tool that you can use to build your list is called an autoresponder, and that's step 8. So step 8, you guys, is you're going to need to have an autoresponder. In old days, an autoresponder was something that told people you were away or you would answer their calls later on. But today, you guys, an autoresponder is a website email that goes out on a regular basis, like a newsletter, if you will. The autoresponder service help you to build your list and then send out your one email that you created to hundreds and thousands of people that's on your list. The major role of autoresponder is to help you build your email list, generate cash from conversation, and offer good return on investment. And here are some examples of well-known autoresponder softwares that you can use: Hotspot, GetResponse, Aweber, and MailChimp. And here's a tip for you guys. Make certain that the autoresponder that you are using will assure delivery of the mail and track the customers who are clicking on your links. Also be aware that as your list grows, your autoresponder may not, most likely due to your subscription plan. So find out what are the top numbers of your autoresponder so you have plenty of room to grow. Step number 9, finding a mentor. Tutoring are quite costly, you guys, but you don't really need to spend money to find a mentor. There is someone out there who is experienced in what you're doing and would be willing to serve as a mentor for you. This can be physical mentoring if you know someone who you think can give you guidance and advice, or you can choose to have a virtual mentor whom you think can help you move forward in your journey. Last but not least, you guys, step number 10, which is monitoring all your marketing efforts. All these steps that we talked about, you guys, would not be effective if you do not monitor how you are doing. Because monitoring is so important to keep track of your success. You need to track all of your efforts and find out how you're doing in your marketing tasks. Keep running tallies of what you make and what you spend to see how effective you're marketing. There you have it, you guys. These are the 10 steps to make a successful online business as a beginner in 2020. All the links that I mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. And I'm thinking of making a separate video explaining in details any of these steps if requested in the comments. So don't forget to put your comment. Again, don't forget to check the first part of this video, which is going to be linked here if you didn't watch it. And don't forget to like and share this video. This is Refaat Abohassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.